Hello, welcome to Rear Facing Toddlers. All infant carrier car seats can be installed on an ISOfix base, but for most of them that ISOfix base is an optional extra that you don't have to use. Most of these car seats can actually be belt fitted, which is handy if you ever need to use the seat in somebody else's car. So in this video I'm going to show you how to belt fit your infant carrier. This is the Britax-Römer Baby-Safe iSense. The iSense had lights on the side, but it is actually exactly the same as the Baby-Safe 3. So I'm going to use this car seat, but you can apply the exact same method to the Britax-Römer Baby-Safe 3. You place the seat rear facing into the car. If you look at the bottom, you'll see that it's slightly curved, and most infant carriers are like that because that means that you can slightly adjust the angle depending on the shape of the seat of your car. And you want to aim for the backrest being at roughly a 45-degree angle. So it needs to sit like this, and then you start the installation. I've moved the carry handle out of the way just to make it easier to reach the belt buckle, but I'll put that up again when I finish the installation. You pull out the seat belt and then you place the lap part of the belt underneath the first green hook and then the second green hook, and then buckle it in. And then what I always do is put my foot in the footwell so that I can push the car seat into the car with my leg and pull the belt really tight to remove all the slack from the lap belt. The diagonal belt then goes around the back of the car seat. This one has a green groove all the way along the backrest, and you pass the seat belt through that groove. Then need to pull the belt tight, and I do that by placing my left hand on the side of the seat and pulling the belt with my right hand whilst pushing the seat that way. So you're basically just pulling your hands apart to get all the slack out of the seat belt. And then the last thing left to do is to put the carry handle back up. So just press the buttons and put the handle back up. All car seats will have a sticker on the side that shows the belt path for installation, and if you look closely at the sticker you'll see that the carry handle is in the upright position, and the handle always has to be in the position that's shown on this sticker. When the seat is fitted, it looks like this from the inside of the car, with the lap belt over the top where the baby's legs would be, and the diagonal belt is wrapped around the back in that groove. And I'm now just walking around the back of the car to the other side so I can open the door and show you what the installation looks like from this side. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon.